this is going to be really my only real attempt with the swing swirl technique. And I did one right before this, and it was kind of one that I wasn't sure if it's going to work right, and it's kind of a tester. It'll be my bonus entry, hopefully, and we'll see how this one turns out. The point of this one is to do, and I have all these dividers set out, is to do 2 colors per bar. So I have each of these dividers dividing each bar in half, and you'll do a different color in each one, and then you drag a tool through this way to hopefully, so say I'm going to have black, then the black design will show through the color, and the color design will pull through the black. So think about like the kaleidoscope, where you have the column or vertical mold, and you alternate colors, what you're going to do, and then you pull something through, and it pulls the design through with alternating colors. It's the similar idea, but it's not as easy to make it work. So what I'm going to do this time is I'm going to be using Sugar Plum Fairy from Bramble, and I feel that it smells different out of the bottle versus in soap. I think it's very, very sweet. And I was trying to figure out what it smelled like. My girls were like, oh, it smells like those straw candies, so like the sour straws. So I'm going to make kind of a sour straw design. This does discolor to a tan, but I'm going to use some bright colors. Hopefully that'll help kind of counteract that a little bit. But if it darkens that up, I think it'll be okay. And I'm going to go with like a sour straw design theme. And I'm going to use Activate Charcoal from Bramble. I've got, these are from Nurture Soap. I have Queen for a Day, Making Waves, Material Girl, and Eye of the Tiger. I'm going to do black in every other one, and then every other one I will do alternating the blue and the purple, and then the orange and the pink. So my plan is to take the tool both ways, so hopefully I will get all the colors in each bar. That's what I'm hoping. So like the black, if I come from one way and then come from the other way, hopefully I should have like the blue and the purple from one way, and then the pink and the orange from the other. If all else fails, well, I don't know, hopefully it won't fail. Hopefully I'll get some color. Hopefully I'll get some design. When I did the pull through on the other one, I only pulled once, and I really think you need a pretty big tool to make it work, because you can kind of see it, but it doesn't show up super well. Yeah, so I'm going to go ahead and divide. I'm going to make my soap. I've got a little mold right here that I need to use for something else, a future project. So I'll pour those with no fragrance in it for some white soap. And then I'm going to divide my batter in half, and then divide that in half to go into these molds. So I have 4 colors. So half of it will be black, and then I'll have 4ths, or 8ths rather, will end up in those colors. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started. I'm gonna go ahead and have to strain my lye out. I made my lye solution actually like a week ago. We had a busy week. So I'm gonna go ahead and get ready to go, and yeah, get started.